SPPWMU Triennial Assembly. Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to that screen as we honor the Christian flag. Next, we proudly present the flag of our beloved country, the Philippines. And now, the flag of the Southern Baptist Philippine Women's Missionary Union. We will now welcome the convention banner bearers and presidents with their respective officers. First, the Zamboanga Peninsula Baptist WMU Convention, led by the President, Sister Desiree T. Alabada, and her core officers.
Next, the Central Philippines WMU Convention with President Christine Adjao and her core officers.
Let's give them a warm applause. Raise your hands.
This convention includes women and summer Southern Baptist Churches, Trinity Faith Baptist Church Association, Baybay City Association of Southern Baptist Churches, Negros Association of Southern Baptist Churches, Negros Southern Baptist Association of Churches, Cebu Island Association of Southern Baptist Churches, and House of Praise Christian Fellowship.
Welcome, Mindanao! This union comprises of 46 associations from Mindanao.
Woohoo! Welcome Mindanao! LSPWMU!
Welcome, Luzon!
Pusha Ladies!
Woo! The host of this event.
With our current officer, with our current President May Francisco. LSPWMU consists of 32nd Association from the North Capital Region, North Luzon, Central Luzon, and South Luzon.
President Araceli de Valente of Luzon, President Chrissy Cadiao of Central Philippines, President Desiree Alabada of Zamboanga Peninsula, and our dear SPPWMU Officer Secretary, Sister Lucy Guevara, Treasurer Marietta Reza Lura, and Auditor Judith Macaro.
Sisters and brothers, we would also like to honor the past SPPWMU presidents. So, let us welcome our former presidents, Sonia F. Silver from 1993 to 1996, Presi Caramonan, President from 1996 to 1999, Virgin P. Gopiteo, she served for 3 terms from 1999 to 2002, 2002 to 2005, 2017 to 2021. She was followed by Myrna Clasco, who served from 2005 to 2008.
Let's give them a round of applause.
Let's also call Laura Raimundo, who served from 2008 to 2011. We also call Shireen Pabiona. She served from 2011 to 2014. Maria Teresa Yambal served from 2014 to 2017.
Now please welcome the SPPWMU Executive Committee. Oh, sorry.
And our current president, serving from 2021 to 2024, Dr. Asuncion Beltran.
of LSBWMU, Sister Ruth Fernan of CBWMU, Sister Ibsay Bobiol of SBMWMUI, and Sister Rowena Magalio from ZBBWMU. Together, we have BGM missionaries from Cambodia.
Let's put our hands together for them.
And all our missionaries, let's welcome them. We also welcome our 6 representatives from Cambodia. Let's give them a clap offering to the Lord for them. Followed by our missionaries all over the world.
Missionaries from Thailand, Cambodia, South Korea, Japan, all over. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga missionaries. Malakas, pinakamalakas.
Okay. Finally, we are honored to introduce our esteemed guest speakers for this assembly. Sister Sarah Goff. Sister Sister Norminda Forteza. Everyone laugh. Let's give up a big hand for him.
President of LCSBC.
And of course, we also welcome Dr. Bernadette Min Minsan, President of Asia Baptist Women Union. But she's not here. She's on her way.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a wonderful procession, truly reflecting our theme of love increasingly, serve abundantly, from 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verses 10 to 12. As we move forward with our program, it is my great pleasure to introduce our host for the opening ceremony. Please welcome Sister Michelle Sacristan and
And Sister Creslin Dingson of Central Philippines WMU. Please, take it away.
take it away, sisters. Palakpak naman dyan.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Ophel and Ma'am Grace. Yes, Ma'am May pala. Okay po. Sige. Thank you so much, Sis Ophel and Sis May. Indeed, this is the day that the Lord has made.
Yes, it
And
is.
we will rejoice and be glad
glad
in
in
it. That's what the psalmist saying in Psalm chapter 118, verse 24. As what our MC said a while ago, na-push through good ma'am.
Yes, after 4 years.
Yes, truly our God makes all things beautiful in His time. Let's give God a clap offering.
Amen.
He deserves the glory and honor in this celebration.
Right. Good afternoon, Ma'am Michelle.
Maayong hapon, ma'am.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Philippines. SBP WMU.
Aaron's beard, running down on the edge of his garments. It is like the dew of Mount Hermon.
Indonesia. And then, friend from Indonesia also. Palakpakan natin. International tayo talaga ngayon. And of course, we have other missionaries. Si Tess Akdol, my prayer partner, also from Indonesia. And we have also our missionary from Brazil. Please stand up for recognition, sis. Thank you. Our another missionary to the Philippines. Brother, please stand up for recognition. Palakpakan natin. Okay.
Guys, we're having snacks now. We're waiting. What is snacks guys can serve? So we just give this one.
In May, Araneta Analiza, Neneta Cabal, Enriquez Rosario. Next we have Albay Jeanette, Santillan Jeanette, Lion Elsa, and Araneta Evelyn. Congratulations! Later, kunin niyo po kay the beautiful Ate Judith doon sa bazaar. This is a community dance, so kayo po lahat, and let's join them!
Michelle? Woo! Grabe ang energy ng Supreme Hotel! Woo! Sino yung hindi pinapawisan? Pasayawin natin ulit. Woo! Pawis? Grabe. Ma'am Michelle, are you okay there? Okay lang ba? Paningot. Pawis.
So guys, that's it for today, mga una. Actually, early kayo mo dinner guys, kaya alas 4 pa lang mag-dinner nami. Kay around 7, another program na sad. Okay, naabot na sa elevator. Tara na mo. Hi, okay mo sa vlog. Enjoy kayo ganina wa, nagsayaw. So, dinner time. Alam mo ba? Oh. So, gapila asa mi. So, ang una na nga on kay ang Central Philippines. So, gutom na gid mi ani nga time kay gutom tapos kapoy pa jud kay gikan pagod sa Tacloban niya street wala jud mi katulog ana guys. As in, mura na mi nagbangag. So, while naghuhat mi ni chika sa ni ate Juan Susan. So nga mo pagkaon guys, fried chicken, beef steak ug gulay, then nasa lay saging ug soup. Murag corn soup siguro na pero na word na ko na guys kay you know, braces ba yan nga akong ipon tapos mga gahi ang food. So bisag gulay di ko hapit kadut kay until now nagsakit-sakit pag yun ang akong ipon. So nadugay jud kog pili ana guys no kay ako gipangita gyud bang unod ba tapos kanang beef steak gamay lang akong gikuha.